welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. Thank you so much for coming to watch this video today. Today I am going to mess around with this new We Are Makers charm stapler. I had this on pre-order from a cherry on top. I think it was just right around 30 bucks, somewhere around there. Hopefully I could open this. Yeah, I think we'll be able to without having to cut it. Because I do believe with We Are Makers, I know it used to be with We Are Memory Keepers, if anything ever breaks, they take it back and they return it and replace it for free. I had a scoreboard replaced for free. Okay, so from what I understand, this comes off of here. Let's go ahead and get everything prepared. All right, because that goes back on there with magnets. All right, let's go ahead and get our project prepared, which is, I just have some scrappy type of things here that I'm going to use. I have an envelope. This is just a memory dex card. I'm not even trying to make anything perfect here. If it comes out great, great. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. Okay, let me get a piece of scrap paper to go behind that. Okay, do I want to use, yeah, I'm going to use glue because it won't take very long for this to dry. This is all just scraps and nothing is new. So you can see there's some ink on the back of here. Yeah, I wanted to give out a little bit of ink. Some vintage photo, distress oxide. Okay. That around the corner on it. Here's the fun part, right? I cut this out earlier. That's probably going to have to go on last. So we have this, and then I want to add a little bit of I don't want to do a bow because we're going to have the charm. So I think I'm just going to do this like this. All right, we'll fix that in a second. All right, so I'm going to use one of these dried flowers because that is what shows on the front of the package. So this is where I got my idea. Where is that? It just shows a picture with a flower. So I thought that was a fun idea. These are some dried flowers that I have from, where did I get these? Amazon. Okay, I think we'll go with one of these. Let's get our charm out. And I'll link at the end of this on the end screen my Maggie Holmes Forever Fields video haul. That collection came with some of these charms. Okay, so you're supposed to put this on the back of here. Get everything where you want it. And then you open this. Now, I hope this works. Okay. Okay. All right, fingers crossed, y'all. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, let's try this. I bet this will work better. I bet that will work. All right. Okay. Okay, let's hope this works right. Okay. Well, I don't want to waste another staple. All right. All right. It might just be too much chunkiness there. Let's try it like this. Still, it's okay, but because I'm going to put this there, so we'll just cover up that. You can see it didn't come around as well right there. It just might be too much. I guess it's like with any toy, you have to play with it a little bit, you know. Cover that up there a little bit. 1, 2, 3. All right, so let's just do a little cluster. Okay, we'll just use this one. All right, so that was much better. So you may, if you want to add like this mini cluster, you know, you may have to just do that, make it like this, and then glue that onto your card. I'm sure the more we get to play with this, the more we'll know, you know, how to work it. But I like it. I think it's cute. I think I hope they come out with like lots of better charms, and yeah, I like it. I think this turned out super duper cute. This doesn't match as well with this, but I may try to cut out some better gold, different gold and put there, but still to play around. That's all I was trying to do, is play around so I could show you how this works. And then you can see inside the envelope here, you've got a little bit of, it's not pokey, it's not going to hurt you or anything, so you could, you know, use this. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this demonstration of how this charm stapler works. I'm thrilled with it. I think it can, if they go, you know, make some better charms than just these, I think that yeah, it could be okay. I don't know if you mess this up, if you'll be able to use this again. It doesn't look like it. So I'd say you probably want to make sure. Well, I don't know. Might be able to get this around. You might be able to bend that out straight enough to use it. Might be able to. It might be all right. I might try that. I think it's worth the 30 bucks. I think it's cute. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed this. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will link this. I got this from a cherry on top, so I'll try to link that in the description. And there's also a tutorial video on here. I will link that on how to use it. All right, I hope y'all have a fantastic morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. I hope you're having fun. Thank you all so much. Bye-bye.